Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna be discussing on the treatment for hepatitis B. Clinical research confirms the effectiveness of Phyllanthus Amarus in hepatitis B treatment. Boil the whole plant of Phyllanthus Amarus for 30 minutes. Take 100 ml twice daily. Indeed, nature heals and learning doesn't end. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. For disclaimers, this video is for educational purpose and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a health care professional before making any changes in your diet. Thanks for watching.